Inhale, halfway lift, straighten the back. Exhale, step back, high plank position. Low push-up. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down facing dog. Push the hips up. Breathe deep, y'all. Take a deep inhale here. Exhale. So we're taking the body, we're taking the joints, we're taking the muscles through a full range of motion here. So continue to breathe deep. Very important flow here. Exhale. Bend the knees, look at the thumbs. Walk those feet to the hands. Bend the knees, roll the back up. Reaching up, arms up. Bend the elbows. Arms up. Let the toes and heels touch. Take chair pose. Knees are bent like you're sitting in a chair. So stay here, breathe. Belly is tight. Hold it right here so the arms are up by the ears. Hands can be at the heart center for modification. Shoulders are relaxed for 5. Hold it here for 4. Breathe for 3. Stay here for 2. Stand up straight, arms up. Bend the elbows. Arms up. Tighten the belly, fold forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, step back. High plank position, high push up. Low push up. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down facing dog. Push the hips up. So we're back to the breath, y'all. Deep inhale here. Exhale. 2 big toes touch. Right leg is up. Take the leg a little higher. Bend the right leg. Open up the hip. Flex the toes of the right foot here. Bring your knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Right leg is up. Knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Right leg is up. Knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Hold it here, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2. Right leg is up. Step the right foot between the hands. We're gonna stay down low. Hands on the yoga mat. Left heel off the mat. So let's rock back and forth. Opening up the hips. Opening up the hips here. You can always bring that left knee down, and that'll give you a different stretch there. But take your time and really get into that right hip. Don't do too much, do just enough. And then we're going to straighten the front knee. Straighten the front knee. Now take your time here, take your time. Straighten the front knee here. You can even alternate back and forth. Pushing that hip down. And from here, we're gonna bring that right knee back over the ankle. Right knee back over the ankle. Left hand to the right foot, and then twist. Take your right arm up. Stay here, breathe. Extend with that right arm over the right ear. Hold it here, breathe for 5. Stay here for 4. Hold it here for 3, for 2. Now right arm is up and then behind you. Can you bend that back leg and grab onto the left foot? You don't have to do this. You can stay in the other pose if you'd like. But this is a deeper stretch. Kind of push the hips down. Hold it right here. Breathe. That's 5. Stay here for 4. Hold it here for 3. For 2. Slowly release. Curl the toes of the back foot. And then that's going to help you step that right foot back into a down dog. And then push those hips up. Yes, now take your deep inhale here. Exhale. 2 big toes touch, left leg is up. Same thing, y'all. Take the leg higher, bend the left leg, open up the hip, flex the toes here, breathe. Knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Left leg is up. Knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Left leg is up. Knee to the chest, nose towards the knee. Hold it here for 5, 4, 3, 2. Left leg up. Now we're gonna step that left foot between the hands. Stay down low. So take your time. Rock back and forth, opening up the hips. Always take your time. Go at your own pace. And from here, let's go ahead and straighten the front knee. Straighten the front knee there. Yes. And we're gonna bring that knee right back over the ankle. Bring that knee right back over the ankle. Right hand to the left foot, and then we're gonna twist. Left arm up. Same thing on this side here. Breathe. Let's take the left arm over the left ear. Fingertips are in front. Stay here, breathe for 5. Hold it here for 4. For 3, for 2. Now left arm up and then behind us. Can you bend the right leg? Can you grab onto that foot? Don't force it. Only if you can. Hold it here, breathe. Now stay here. Push those hips down. Hold it here for 7, 6. Try to look over the left shoulder for 5. Stay here for 4, for 3, and for 2. Now slowly release. Curl the toes of the back foot. That's gonna help you step back into a down dog. Those hips are pushed up. Take your deep inhale here. Exhale. Deep inhale here. Exhale. Another inhale. As you exhale, bend the knees. Look at the thumbs. We're gonna walk those feet to the hands. Bend the knees, roll the back up, up, up. Reaching up. Bend the elbows. Arms up. Arms down. Now we're gonna bring the feet wide to the very edges of the yoga mat. And we're gonna do that again. We're gonna come into chair pose. Hands at the heart center though. So stay here with me as you breathe. Hold it right here. I want you to squeeze your glutes like you're twerking. Squeeze those cheeks. Hold it here, breathe. Yes, hold it here for 7, 6. Stay here for 5. Hold it here for 4. For 3, for 2, stand up straight. Arms up, bend the elbows. Arms up. Now I want you to twist to the right. Left arm is in the front, right arm is in the back. Look at the right fingertips. Hold it here for 5. Belly is tight for 4. For 3, for 2. Now arms are up by the ears, back to center. Twist to the left. Right arm is in the front, left arm is in the back. Stay with me, breathe. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Now arms are up. Bend the elbows and then open them wide. 5, 4, 3, and 2. Arms up. Tighten the belly, fold forward. Come into ragdoll position. Cup opposite elbows. Relax the neck. Sway from side to side. Knees can be bent as much as you need to. Hands to the yoga mat. Let the toes and heels touch. Step it back. High plank position. High push up. Low push up. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down facing dog. Push those hips up. And then we're gonna pedal the legs back and forth, back and forth. And then we're gonna bend the knees and we're gonna walk the feet to the hands and we'll sit down. We'll sit down and we'll bring our soles of the feet to touch once more. And then we're gonna push the feet out a bit. Push the feet out a bit. And then I want you to grab onto the feet and then fold forward. That's a different stretch. This one may feel a little uncomfortable. Hold it right here. Breathe for 7, 6. Hold it here for 5. Stay here for 4, for 3, and for 2. Slowly release, y'all. And then I want you to make your adjustments. I want you to bring the feet to the very edges of the mat and flex the toes up. We're going to take the arms up, tighten the belly, and then fold forward. Try to grab the bottom of the feet or the ankles, bending the knees as much as you need to. Release. We're going to press the palms together. We're going to slowly lie down on the back. Use your belly. Use your belly. Slowly lie down on the back. Let the arms rest over the head. Interlace the fingers. Point the toes towards the front. Full body stretch. Full body stretch. And then we'll bring the knees to the chest. Hug them tight. Rock from left to right, massaging out the back. Massage out your lower back. Bottom of the feet go towards the ceiling. Bottom of the feet go towards the ceiling. Make circles at the ankles. Let's make circles towards the inside, circles towards the inside, and then circles towards the outside. Circles towards the outside. Yes. Ankle rotations are very important. We're going to take our legs straight up as we come into shoulder stand. Only if you want to. Shoulder stand. Let's not stay here long. Let's go ahead and take the feet over the head and touch the floor for plow. Plow position. How about interlace those fingers and press them to the yoga mat? Now let's stay here for a bit. Breathe. Hold it right here. Hold it right here. Breathe for 7, 6. Stay here for 5. Hold it here for 4, for 3, and for 2. And we're going to slowly ease down. Tailbone to the yoga mat. Ease down. Hug the knees tight. Rock from left to right. From here, happy baby pose. Bend those knees. Grab the inside or outside of the feet. Rock from left to right. How about try to push the knees down to the yoga mat? The knees down to the yoga mat. Stay here. Breathe. And bring your right knee over your left knee as we prepare for Shavasana. Turn that lower body towards the left. Upper body is turned towards the right. Press the shoulder down. Come back to center, opposite knee over opposite knee, turning the lower body towards the right, upper body is towards the left. Press the shoulder down. Come back to center. Let's spread the leg towards the front. Arms are down by the sides, palms are facing up. Whatever is going on in your home, find peace within yourself just for a few moments. Relaxation pose, Shavasana, is the most important pose of class. So don't skip this step. Relax your mind and body and allow it to heal from what you just did. Rest, rest,